Kev G, weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? Well, we've got some mild temperatures back in our neck of the woods, but we've got some unsettled weather to deal with as well at times. And I think the main day for unsettled weather in the form of steady rain during the day when people are out and about doing stuff is going to be on Sunday. Saturday, I think most of the day is just mainly cloudy. I think if anything, we deal with rain in the morning and then it tapers off. But the main theme of the weekend is going to be clouds. Our temperatures are going to be steady in the 40s and 50s. And as you can see from this graphic from NOAA, they don't really drop at night. And that's due to the fact that we have abundant cloud cover and low-level moisture. And that's just par for the course, really. When you get these cloudy nights, you can't really lose the heat that's trapped at the surface, if heat being a relative term, with temperatures in the 40s to near 50. But it's very interesting to see how that all plays out. And it's a nice reprieve from what we've had all week, with temperatures stuck in the 30s, very blustery conditions. In fact, we're running a few degrees below normal for the monthly average temperature at Central Park so far through the first 13 days of the month. And I think that'll even out over the next 10 days with temperatures being near normal. And we will, deal with a lot of steady temperatures. I think Tuesday, Wednesday look pretty blustery and cool. But other than that, it's really not too bad. Let's take a look at the radar right now off the Penn State EWAL site. And not a lot of rain in our neck of the woods. We've got some rain over Michigan and the Midwest, stretching down all the way into the Tennessee Valley. Over the mid-Atlantic states, there's an area of moderate rain that's building. I think that'll only get so far north before it gets pushed off to the south. So this is why I think Saturday, all in all, is relatively rain-free after we get past the morning hours. So let's take a look at the GFS model, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, and you can see what's going on here. This is by Sunday morning. Now, if I back it up a little bit, we're going to get a period of moderate rain overnight. So for much of the day today, we'll have mainly light showers that'll be very isolated, albeit cloudy conditions will persist. But then at night we get moderate rain to build in here, and that rain will persist through about noon on Saturday before it tapers off. And that high pressure over southeast Canada starts to assert itself. And that's going to make for the rain, the bulk of it anyway, to stay to the south of the New York City metro region. But then by Sunday, that rain starts to make inroads. And we end up with a rainy day. We're going to end up with about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain on your Sunday before this system finally starts to pull away. And then for Monday night into Tuesday, it starts to get cool because you can see these lines of equal pressure starting to tighten up together. Yeah, you can even see some snow developing over well upstate New York. And these lines of equal pressure show that there's a pretty strong northerly flow. Temperatures coming down, but then it moderates. Then our winds go westerly by the time we get into Thursday. So not a lot of weather trouble, aside from just some kind of dreary conditions this weekend. The bulk of the rain falls Sunday, Monday, a high of 45, and then blustery for Tuesday into a good part of Wednesday before it starts to get mild again for Thursday into Friday. So definitely a reprieve from the cooler temperatures, but a little bit of unsettled weather this weekend into early next week.